Welcome back. In this segment, we'll go over the essential VBA settings you need to configure in Excel. These settings will enable you to use the full capabilities of VBA effectively. In the second part of this video, I will show you directly, step by step, how to set up those things. Setting up the developer ribbon, enabling macros, and allowing ActiveX controls are essential steps before using VBA in Microsoft Office applications like Excel. Here's why each of these steps is necessary. Let's start with the developer ribbon. The developer ribbon is a toolbar in Microsoft Office applications that provides access to various advanced features, including VBA. Here's why you need to set it up. The developer ribbon includes a button to open the VBA Editor, where you can write and edit your VBA code. It allows you to record macros, which can be a helpful way to automate repetitive tasks without writing code manually. The developer ribbon provides tools to insert form controls, like buttons and drop-down lists, and ActiveX controls, which can be used to create interactive forms and interfaces. It includes options to manage add-ins, which can extend the functionality of Office applications. Macros need to be enabled to allow VBA scripts to run. Here's why. By default, macros are disabled for security reasons because they can contain malicious code. Enabling macros allows your VBA code to execute. Enabling macros ensures that your automated scripts and functions can be run seamlessly within the Office application. ActiveX controls provide additional functionalities beyond standard form controls. Here's why enabling ActiveX controls is important. ActiveX controls offer more features and customization options compared to standard form controls. For example, they can be used to embed multimedia elements or create complex user interfaces like menu with macro buttons. They allow for more interactive and dynamic content within your Office documents. Many legacy applications and scripts rely on ActiveX controls for functionality. Let's move to our Excel application to set up those things. Developer ribbon. Go to Excel Options. Click on the File tab. Select Options. Customize the ribbon. In the Excel Options dialog box, select Customize Ribbon from the list on the left. In the right pane, check the box for Developer. Click OK to save the changes and close the dialog box. The Developer tab should now be visible in the ribbon. This tab gives you access to all the tools you'll need to write and manage VBA code. Trust Center. Go to Excel Options. Click on the File tab. Select Options. Access Trust Center settings. In the Excel Options dialog box, select Trust Center from the list on the left. Click on the Trust Center Settings button. Macro Settings. In the Trust Center dialog box, select Macro Settings from the list on the left. Choose Enable All Macros, Not Recommended. Potentially dangerous code can run. Please note, this setting is not recommended for regular use due to security risks. Enable Excel 4.0 macros when VBA macros are enabled. Allows the execution of legacy Excel macros, which can increase security risks. Trust access to the VBA project object model. Permits other programs to modify and run VBA code, requiring caution due to potential threats. This setting must be enabled if you want to use VBA through Python or another programming language. Configuring these settings allows you to run macros in Excel, but be cautious as enabling all macros can pose a security risk. Use this setting only when working with trusted code. ActiveX. Go to Excel Options, click on the File tab, select Options. Access Trust Center settings. In the Excel Options dialog box, select Trust Center from the list on the left. Click on the Trust Center Settings button. Configure ActiveX settings. In the Trust Center dialog box, click on ActiveX Settings in the left-hand pane. Select the option Enable All Controls Without Restrictions and Without Prompting. Not recommended, potentially dangerous code can run. ActiveX settings control how Excel handles ActiveX controls. Enabling all controls can be useful for development, but remember to switch back to more secure settings for regular use. Without these settings enabled, your ability to utilize VBA for automation, scripting, and creating interactive documents would be significantly limited. Conclusion. By configuring the Developer ribbon, Trust Center, and ActiveX settings, you ensure that your Excel environment is ready for VBA development. These steps are crucial for leveraging the full power of VBA while keeping security considerations in mind. In the next module, I will show you what the VBA Editor looks like.